Okay, so today we're going to do the acid-base indicator lab. So for this particular lab, we're going to be using a well, and we're going to be filling it with various liquids, and we're going to be using the indicator to see what color they change to see if we can estimate the pH. Okay, so in this well, so remember before I get there, remember the indicators. We're talking about table M. So remember they're going to change different colors as we put them in different solutions of different pH. Okay. So the first step, of course, is to set up the well. So this well, this table tells us how to set up the well. So once these change color, what you're going to be doing is writing down the color change in each one of these wells. Once you get the color change done, you're going to estimate the pH by using the numbers here, right? So off of table M, you're going to be using these numbers to sort of estimate the pH there. So that'll be a number that you're going to write into this section here. So these are all colors that you're going to be writing, but here you're going to be writing a number. So now in the first well, I'm going to put 1 milliliter of HCl, 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 and then I'm going to put 2 drops of indicator, so 2 drops of methyl orange, 2 drops of litmus, 2 drops of bromothymol blue, and 2 drops of phenolphthalein. And then I'm going to write down the color that it changes. So for each one of these rows, I'm going to use a different solution. So ethanoic acid, distilled water, ammonia, sodium hydroxide, and sodium bicarbonate. And coming down this way, these are all going to be methyl orange, and we're going to see the different colors that it changes as we go through. And again, here's table M that gives you the numbers. It tells you the color it changes, so you'll be able to figure out what color, what the pH is of the different solutions. Okay, so I'm just simplifying this chart. Here's my well, and what I've done here now is I sort of listed it. So here's my different solutions. So for example, here's hydrochloric acid. So for each well, I would put 1 milliliter of hydrochloric acid in each one of these wells across that row. Okay, so as I go across the row, I'm adding 1 milliliter into each well. Okay, and now I'll start with my indicators. So the first one we're going to use is methyl orange. So methyl orange, 2 drops here. So as we go down, I'm going to put methyl orange to each one of these different solutions. And then going down this way, the next one would be litmus. Careful here, I don't contaminate. So we want to get 2 drops into each well. See if the color changes. The next one down is bromothymol blue. And the last well would be phenolphthalein. And again, you don't want to touch the tip. You don't want to touch the tip of the indicator to the well because you can contaminate stuff. Okay, make sure I got. All right, so there's the colors that you would have to record on your lab. Maybe I'll move these out of the way. Maybe you could see it better. No, okay, I'll leave it on the white. Okay.
Good morning, Brett.